Earth, a planet covered 75% with water, and its lands have nearly 7 billion people living upon them. Multitudes of creatures and species depend on the terrestrial ecosystem for daily life and survival. The health of the terrestrial ecosystem is conditioned by moisture, temperature, soil, relief, and drainage. Water is essential for all life. Water provides plants the means to absorb nutrients. This allows plants to germinate, grow, and reproduce. The Earth is perfectly placed in the solar system to allow the sun's temperature to provide the right amount of heat and light to grow and thrive. Plants can have different temperature requirements as they become conditioned to their growing environments. Soil is the footing for plants and acts like a pantry, providing a place for water and nutrients to be stored for plants' later use. An empty pantry may harm the growth of hungry plants. Relief is affected by rain, causing soil to wash away from slopes. This in turn causes thinning of the slope soil. The washed away soil can be found deposited at the base of the slope, causing thickening of that soil. Areas with little sunlight may not experience drying cycles and UV breakdown of decomposing materials. Drainage is necessary as soil can only hold so much water before it becomes full and in effect drowns the roots of plants which are unable to intake oxygen within the soil. Educating local landholders of the importance of soil conservation techniques such as no-till plowing and natural ways to regenerate nutritive soil after cash crop harvests are vital in ensuring soil is not overburdened through use. Public policy is needed to provide incentive, outreach, and support to farmers and others who use lands, not to just use the lands to an end, but become stewards of the lands for sustainability and generational use. One problem to the terrestrial ecosystem in regards to farming is overcultivation of the soil, causing it to become depleted of its nutrients and topsoil without replenishing the detritus through additions of decaying plant materials and allowing the soil to rest a season or two. If not corrected, the topsoil will wear away and crops won't have ideal conditions to grow if they're able to grow at all. Adding to failing farm soils may be the overuse of chemical fertilizers, whereby soil content isn't added to through the use of organic fertilizers that can replenish soil content and provide living space for healthy soil organisms. Currently, strawberry growers in California use a controversial fumigant, methyl bromide, to treat strawberry crops to kill a fungus called Fusarium wilt, which strawberry farmer Darren G. calls the great white shark of soil. Unfortunately, studies lean towards the understanding that the fumigant may be depleting our ozone layer too. The EPA has given an emergency state of use of the fumigant for now. California organic strawberry growers have found that switching fields for 3 to 5 years allows their strawberry crops to stay ahead of the fungus. Further research is being done to learn how to safely protect strawberry crops, the terrestrial ecosystem, and our planet as a whole.